How much you can earn from pig farming in Nigeria? Many farmers ask me, how much can you really earn from pig farming in Nigeria? In this video, I will break it down with real numbers, not hype. With real numbers, not hype. Step 1, cost of starting small. That's very important. Let's say you start with 5 pigs, cost of pigs or cost of the piglets you acquire, feeding, housing, and medication depends on location. But feeding is the highest cost. Feeding takes you like 60 to 70%. You must know that. But feeding is the highest cost. This is why planning is very important. Now, since we are talking about feeding, let's use feeding as second step. Step 2, feeding cost. Step 2, feeding cost. Feeding can take, like I said before, 60 to 70% of your cost. If you feed well and manage waste, pig grow faster and reach market price within months. Let's say 5 months, 7 months, you start selling. Yes, you had me right. 5 months, 7 months, you start selling. Another step to consider is profit breakdown. When costs are controlled and pigs are sold at the right time, farmers make profit per pig. Multiply that by the number of pigs you have, and you will see why pig farming works. Then we talk about what affects profit. We are not only talking about profit alone, then we also have to talk about what will affect your profit, because it's very, very demanding. If you don't know what is demanding in this business, you are lost. And when you are lost, there's no profit. And when you don't have profit, you are not in business. Again, your profit depends on feeding method. Yes, your profit depends on feeding method. How you feed them, what you feed them. Are you feeding them wisely or rightly, or you are feeding them economically? All these factors depend. All these factors play crucial role on how successful you are going to be in the business. Disease control, market access, and management. Management is very important in big farming. Farmers who ignore these lose money. Farmers who manage well earn consistently. That's the truth. And honestly, pig farming will not make you rich overnight, but it can give you steady income if done well. The profit grows as your farm grows. Subscribe to Ugocentury Farm. We grow pigs and profit here. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.